I'm from LINC, Literacy and Community, and working in collaboration with CPEARL, Center for Public Research and Leadership. We're taking on projects related to early literacy and family engagement. And so we worked on a project that started in CPEARL's Family and Tech Accelerator and has kind of grown to Decoded Futures. So this is what our work at LINC typically looks like. We are very community-oriented, but we work with families of children 0 to 5, and we provide them with research-based and joyful play-based approaches to developing children's language and literacy skills. In that experience, going around New York City, working with schools, we saw a problem come up again and again, which was that New York City schools have rolled out a universal screener for kindergarten to 2nd grade students so that they're not letting kids slip through the crack without the data to support them. So if you're like me and you sent your wonderful kindergartner off to school and you hear virtually nothing about what happened there, and then you get a letter in the mail that has this kind of red bar on it and some kind of, there's technical language in it, and it's stressful. And I spoke to a large number of parents that had this experience. Now, to me, as a literacy specialist, I'm thinking, what a missed opportunity. They all need more or less the same ingredients to learn how to read, but they need them in vastly different amounts. Teachers can't meet every kid where they are. It's virtually an impossible task. But if the parent has that recipe and they know where their child needs support, they can do it in a playful, targeted way. And so we started going into schools and delivering workshops for families where we took the games that we've made up and we said, well, why don't we kind of map them on to the screener data? Very simple arrangement, and families were so responsive to it. We want to put it into a technological platform where you can put in that information about that colored bar that came in the mail and get information about what game might be most helpful to your kid. And we're even toying with like screen-based versions, and then we give you information on where to find those in-person workshops that we provide around the city. This experience of building this app in Decoded Futures was kind of a mind-blowing experience. This one is actually like near and dear to my heart because it came from a problem I experienced so often as a reading specialist. I remember thinking as a teacher that there's got to be a better way. So I was able to make this app, which has been great fun to work with. So you can immediately print this out and hand it to the child, and they can now work on their story without a teacher at their side. With the right tools in our hands, we can solve those problems together in ways that we couldn't before. And so we are continuing to roll that out. We're piloting it with a school partner for the end of year assessments. And so thank you to Decoded Futures. This was an amazing experience.